Hello everyone, today I will uh, introduce a solution of the fifth problem in lead code, that is longest palindrome substring. First, let's read the description of the problem. Given a string S, find the longest palindrome substring S. You may assume that the maximum length of S is 1000. Okay, at first need to know what is a palindrome and substring. Uh, the palindrome is a string which is first character equals to last character, and the second character equals to last second character. So let's give an example like uh, A, B, B, A. Let's say the first character is A, the last character is A also, and the second character is B, the last second character is B. So this is a palindrome. So the longest palindrome is when you add a C at here, add D. This is a new string, so the substring is uh, like ABBA is a substring, BB also a substring. They both are palindrome, but ABBA is the largest one. So for solving this problem, first we would I think we can uh, try to come out every possibility of the substring. That is say A, say B, say BB, say BBA, say BBAD, and AB, ABB, ABBA, ABBAD, and so on. So so we would have n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 to 1. We have this possibility of the substring. It's n times n plus n the first thing plus the last thing. Yeah, that is and divided to and equals to n squared plus n. And this is a complexity of the of substring, but we also need a check function to check if it's a palindrome. So this function needs to check every substring from the first, if first equal to the last, and the second is equal to the last second. So it could be the complexity is n. So this one times n will be O n cubic n. Obviously, this algorithm really slow. So today I will introduce dynamic programming, which is the idea is to use previous calculation to get the results of the if it is palindrome. First, we will from the let's set a variable k. K means substring. The length of substring is k. When k equals 1, that means the substring is just a one character, like say A, B, B. So every single character is a palindrome because it's same with the definition. Like the say is the first character of this substring. So the last character is also C. So this definitely is a palindrome. Let's define a table. Let's say table I. It's a two-dimensional table. So table I, we let it be 1. That means the table II equals that is a palindrome. That means from the I to I is a palindrome. So let's say k equals 2. That means the substring, the length of substring is 2. So say A is the first two-length substring. But we can see that is not a palindrome because the first one is not equal to the last one. So I here table 0 to table 1 equals to 0. So that's so we will check every two-length substring, and we will get a table like table I j equals 1 or 0. Like say here BB is like 0, 1, 2 to here 2 to 3. So here the table 2, 3 is equals to 1. So when k increased, we will check the previous one if it equals to 1. If it equals to 1, and we will check k. We will check like I plus 1, that is, and I plus k minus 1. If these two table this is, we check this if it equals to 1. If this equals 1, we will check if the like substring like string I equals to string I plus k minus 1. Sorry. If both this condition is fulfills the requirement, we would say the string substring I to I plus k minus 1 is a palindrome, and we would give the 1 to it. So this is the idea of our algorithm. Yes, when k equals to 2, we still need I in range. But this time, we just need it to length as minus 1 because we need to find the character after I. So the I plus 1 would be the last character. So for this loop, we will compare if as I equals as I plus 1, we will say label I plus 1 will give 1 to this item. So now it's k. So we need some general condition like k equals 3. So for now we will have a while loop at while k less than length of s, k less and equal to length of s. That means k can be the length of s. That is whole because the string itself can be a substring of it. And in this loop, we will have like I equals 0 because we will check from the first character. Still need the loop well I less than length as the whole string and it minus k, that is minus k. Do we need to minus k? Oh, because when the last one of the substring yes, we need this just like here. This is I plus 1, and here we need I plus k. So we need here to length minus 1, but minus k, but we still need plus 1 because the index is from 0. Yes. We will check we will check the string. Oh, first we need to check the string, the substring less than k. Basic if string I minus 1 to we should use table because we save the result in table. That's 1 to I plus k minus 1 because that also because we start from 0. That will be, and we need to another condition, that is string I equals string I plus k minus 1. Oh, I think this is minus 1, so this must be minus 2. So sorry. 2. If this thing happens, we should say that table here I and I plus k minus 1 equals it gives 1 to this item. So now we move the window. We would move the window to the next k length substring. So, and also it would increase the value of k. So for now, we finish this table, but we need the output is the longest palindromic substring. So we need to find the index of the palindrome by in range length table. This is a two-dimensional table, so for j in range length table. So with the initial max length for here. If table I j equals 1 and table ij equals 1 and j minus I, that is the length of substring, right? Because if I equals 0, j equals 0, that length equals to j minus I equals 0. So it needs to plus 1. This one, if it's bigger than max length, we still need the initial result here. And we will give the max length this value j minus I plus 1, and we will give the result of this substring. Yeah. So now we complete this problem. Let's do some tests. The input is BA BAD. Sorry, name is Palindromic. Alright, so the Palindromic BAD. Oh, we need return this result and print this. Let's say why invalid. Oh, it's invalid. Why? Oh, it's called from here. Up. So the last one is crashed. So some part is black screen. So just now there is a error. That's because this table initial is it's wrong, because we just initial append the 1. We didn't append the table when it is not I is not equal to j. So now we append that to 0, and also here we, because the substring is from the I to j if I write the j plus 1 here. So this is a two-part two-part difference from the previous one. So thank you for watching, and sorry for debugging, and see you next time.